Okay, can you please tell me you are Hrithik Roshan? Okay, so the second question, मैं 4 घंटे से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ.
I have been speaking English for 4 hours.
Okay, मैं understandable person हूँ.
I am understandable
हम
person.
सारे लोग understandable person हैं.
We all are understandable
मैं
person.
सीखता हूँ.
I learn.
मैं कंपेयर करता
I
हूँ.
compare.
मैं चेक करता
I
हूँ.
check.
मैं हूँ.
I am.
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
I am good.
मैं गुड पर्सन हूँ.
I am good person.
मैं एक्टिव हूँ.
I am
मैं
active.
प्रोफेशनल हूँ.
I am professional.
हम सारे लोग प्रोफेशनल हैं.
We are professional.
Can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you feel?
When I come in the class, I feel confidence because every day I got to learn new things.
All right, everybody. So we all guys are here to do the next activity. And what is the next activity? I don't have any idea, but right now I'm going to tell that some trainees will come here, or one trainee will come here and he will speak at random sentence, right? He will speak whatever is going in his mind, or she will speak whatever is going in her mind. So are you ready with me? Yes, sir. Once again, I'm not getting this voice. Once again, are you ready with me? Yes, sir. Right. Have you remembered about that particular seminar? We cried a lot, right? Okay. So the first person who will come here, I don't have any idea, but I would like to call from my side, and the first person will come Ayub. All right, big hand for Ayub. Ayub is going to come. All right. So Ayub, how are you?
So fine.
Fine. Only fine or super duper?
So super duper.
As I can see, you are looking absolutely professional in white shirt and black, I mean, but can you please tell me what is the secret of this personality? Can you please tell me?
Sir, look like handsome and look like everyone asks me where are you going to. I am going to coaching.
Okay.
Everyone know that yes, it look like a student.
Okay, can you please tell me you are Hrithik Roshan? Okay, so the second question, मैं सीखता हूँ.
I learn.
मैं compare करता हूँ.
I compare.
Do you check all the data?
Yes, I check all the data.
Do you personally, understand all points?
Yes, I personally understand all the points.
Okay, do you rehearse with all the people?
Yes, I rehearse all the people.
Okay, do you know me?
Yes, I know you.
मैं केयर करता हूँ.
I care.
मैं 10 घंटे से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ.
I speak English for I speak English at 10 o'clock.
No. मैं 10 घंटे से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ.
I have been speaking for 10 hours.
मैं जानता हूँ.
I know.
मैं तुमको जानता हूँ.
I know you.
मैं तुम्हारे पर्सनालिटी को जानता हूँ.
I know your personality.
वो कहाँ है? Where is he?
Where is
What is
he?
that? Where is he? वो understandable person है.
He is a understandable person.
तुम योग्य हो.
You are able.
तुम अयोग्य हो.
You are unable.
तुम जानते हो.
You know.
तुम प्रैक्टिस करते हो.
You practice.
Do you understand all the points?
Yes, I understand all the points.
Do you check all the data?
Yes, I check all the data.
Do you really understand all the points?
Yes, I really understand all the points.
Do you believe in the God?
Yes, I believe on the God.
Do you practice all the time?
Yes, I practice all the time.
Do you understand all the points in the class?
Yes, I understand all the point in the class.
What is your name?
My name is Ayub Ali.
Where is your wallet? I don't have any idea. Where is your wallet?
My wallet is there.
Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you feel?
When I come in the class,
Okay.
I feel confidently. I know that right now I am studying.
Do you know all the trainees?
Yes, I know all the 10.
What is his name?
His name is Samir.
And what is his name?
His name is Surjit.
And what is his name?
His name is Rahul Bhaiya.
Okay, and just come in this. Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you feel?
I feel confidently.
Okay.
Right now now I am studying right now.
Okay, can you please tell me what is my name?
Your name is Amar sir.
And what is your name?
My name is Ayub Ali.
Okay, do you believe in the God?
Yes, I believe.
Do you check all the points?
Yes, I check all the.
Do you
points.
understand that?
Yes, I understand.
Where is Sandeep?
Sandeep is there.
Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you motivate all these trainees?
When I come in the class,
Yes.
all the students sit properly.
Yes.
That's I motivate. I sit properly. That's why sir come in the class. Then he scolds me.
Yeah, okay.
Why you're not sitting
Properly. Okay, no. I'm asking you, how do you motivate? How do you motivate Prince? How do you motivate Surjit? How do you motivate Sandeep? And how do you motivate Ankit? How do you motivate Rahul? How do you motivate them?
Sir, I motivate them when I come professional type,
Yes.
then all the students motivate me.
Yeah.
Ayub is Ayub whenever Ayub come in the class,
Yes.
he comes well maintained.
Yes.
But I will not come well maintained.
Okay, do you check all the data?
Yes, I will check.
Do you understand all the language?
Yes, I understand all the language.
Which is your favorite topic?
My favorite topic is models.
Okay, and why models? Why not a preposition and why not conjunction?
Because prepositions and conjunction is very perplex.
Okay.
But models is not perplex.
It is very
like that.
soft, right? It is very cool.
soft.
I mean, you just understand in a very cool and calm. All right, big hand for Ayub. All right. Just come here, Ayub. Take your place. And now the next person I would like to call here from the boys' side, and the next person will come. Big hand for Subham. Big hand for Subham. Okay, big hand. You are in front of all the trainees, right? So first, come here, and I would like you. Please tell your journey in terms of English language in a very short.
Thank you for giving me a chance. And
Just come in the circle. Just come at the center exactly. Yes.
and it was too
Yes.
struggleful for me.
Yes.
Because at that day when I was struggling for English,
Yes.
it was 2029.
Yes.
And after that time I was too worried for my English. And after that I saw so many classes and coaching.
Yes.
There were no any classes and
Yes.
coaching were available at that time in
Okay.
Rasana.
Now the next question goes to you. Do you really speak English?
Yes, sir, I really
Which is
speak
your
English.
favorite language?
My favorite language is basically is I wanted to learn Andhra language.
Okay.
Which is Andhra. Sorry, that was what is the language of Andhra?
Okay. Take the mic. मैं सीखता हूँ.
Thank you. I learn.
मैं कंपेयर करता हूँ.
I compare.
मैं चेक करता हूँ.
I check.
मैं फाइंड करता हूँ.
I find.
मैं 4 घंटे से अंग्रेजी बोल रहा हूँ.
I have been speaking English for 4 hours.
ओके मैं अंडरस्टैंडेबल पर्सन हूँ.
I am understandable
हम
person.
सारे लोग अंडरस्टैंडेबल पर्सन
We
हैं.
all are understandable person.
मैं सारे लोगों को जानता हूँ.
I know everyone.
मैं अंडरस्टैंड करता हूँ.
I understand.
मैं चेक करता हूँ.
I check.
मैं इनवाइट करता हूँ.
I invite.
मैं फिक्स करता हूँ.
I fix.
मैं डेटा फिक्स करता हूँ.
I fix data.
Do you know all the trainees?
Yes, sir. I know all
All the trainees. All right, big hand for Subham. All right, big hand for Subham. Take your place, and the next person will come from the girl side. Big hand for Rosni. All right, Rosni is going to come. Rosni, please tell your name to all the viewers.
My name is Roshni Gupta.
Okay, can you please tell me which is your favorite food?
My favorite food is puri bhujia.
Okay, do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
Take this mic. Do you feel comfortable all the time?
Yes, I feel comfortable all the
Do you
time.
know all the trainees?
Yes, I know all the trainees.
मैं सीखता हूँ.
I learn.
मैं कंपेयर करता
I
हूँ.
compare.
मैं चेक करता
I
हूँ.
check.
मैं हूँ.
I am.
मैं अच्छा हूँ.
I am good.
मैं गुड पर्सन हूँ.
I am good person.
मैं एक्टिव हूँ.
I am a
मैं प्रोफेशनल हूँ.
I am
हम
professional.
सारे लोग प्रोफेशनल हैं.
We are professional.
ओके मैं कम्युनिकेटर हूँ.
I am communicator.
मैं कम्युनिकेटर नहीं हूँ.
I am not
ये
communicator.
सारे लोग कम्युनिकेटर हैं.
They are communicator.
ओके ये सारे लोग कम्युनिकेटर नहीं है.
They are not communicator.
ओके मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने की आदत में हूँ.
I am in. मैं अंग्रेजी बोलने
Yes. What is the topic name? In the habit of. Yes.
I am in the habit of speaking English.
ओके अनीशा अंग्रेजी बोलने की आदत में नहीं है.
Anisa is not in the habit of speaking
Okay,
English.
मैं अंडरस्टैंडेबल पर्सन नहीं हूँ.
I am not understandable person.
ओके ये लोग अच्छे हैं.
They are good.
मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ.
I am
मेरा
comfortable.
दोस्त स्टबर्न है.
My friend is stubborn.
ओके मैं अंडरस्टैंडेबल पर्सन नहीं हूँ.
I am not understandable person.
ओके व्हाट इज योर एड्रेस?
My address is Atlapura.
ओके व्हाट इज योर नेम?
My name is Roshni Gupta.
व्हाट इज योर फादर नेम?
My father name is Mr.
Do you
Sanjay
believe in the
Gupta.
God?
Yes, I am believe in the God.
I am ki I believe. Says
Yes,
do you
I-
know wrong? I am
Yes.
ki I believe.
Yes, I believe.
I
I
believe.
believe in the God.
Yes, some grammatical mistakes are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Okay, do you understand all the points?
Yes, I understand all the points.
Okay, just come exactly at the center. Okay, do you check?
Yes, I check.
Do you understand?
Yes, I
Do you
understand.
feel that?
Yes, I feel
Do you
that.
operate computer?
Yes, I operate computer.
Do you know all the boys and girls?
Yes, I know all the boys and girls.
Have you been speaking English for 4 hours?
Yes, I have been speaking for 4 hours.
Yes, I have been speaking for. Do you understand all the language?
Yes, I understand all.
Okay, do you write all the notes every day?
Yes, I write all the notes every day.
Okay, is this your watch?
Yes, this is my watch.
Okay, how many fingers are there?
This finger is 5.
These fingers are 5.
Five.
Okay, can you please about the name of this particular finger?
And this particular finger's name is thumb.
This.
Index.
Okay, this.
Middle finger.
This.
Ring finger.
Okay, then
And is little finger.
little finger. Okay, can you please tell me whenever you come in the class, how do you feel?
when I come in the class, I feel confidence because every day I got to learn new things.
Okay, that's very nice. And now I would like to say that where is Anisha?
And Isai is here.
All right, the next person I would like to call Anisha. Please give the mic, and the next person is Anisha is going to come. Okay.